There are lots of fruits and veggies that can help our bodies burn fat, increase muscle mass, and speed up muscle recovery. The muscle repairer, tomato-basil juice. Tomato juice is the new sports drink. One study showed that drinking tomato juice after a workout helped athletes speed up muscle recovery and blood sugar stabilization. The compound responsible for this effect, as well as many others, is called lycopene, which is also found in fruits such as watermelon, grapefruit, and papaya. Spinach, on the other hand, is full of nitrates, which increases muscle strength. Let's make tomato basil juice. Ingredients: 2 large ripe tomatoes, half handful of basilic, 1 large handful of spinach, half lemon peeled, and half lime peeled. Wash tomatoes and cut them into chunks. Peel lime and lemon and wash the greens. Toss everything in the juicer. Stir and extract well, and consume fresh. Make 2 serves. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.